This video will provide an overview of new tools added for virtual testing in Oasys 21. Firstly, the automotive assessments workflow has been enhanced by adding support for the Euro NCAP far-side virtual testing crashworthiness protocol to make it easier to extract the required ISO MME channels from LS-DYNA results. The automotive assessments workflow user data is also utilized by the new virtual testing workflows, which require ISO MME channel data. We have added 4 workflow tools to help you with virtual testing. Firstly, LS-DYNA to ISO MME, which enables you to export ISO MME channel data from LS-DYNA results as required by Euro NCAP virtual testing protocol. Secondly, SimVT, which enables you to compare simulation data versus test data in accordance with the Euro NCAP VTC protocol. Thirdly, Euro NCAP quality criteria, which enables you to check if your simulations pass the Euro NCAP VTC protocol quality criteria. And finally, the Euro NCAP VTC videos workflow helps you to export the 6 videos required for the Euro NCAP VTC protocol. Thank you. Please check out other Oasys 21 burst videos on virtual testing.